Hey everyone! Ever wondered just how cryptocurrency is reshaping our world? Well, strap in because you're about to find out. Cryptocurrency isn't just digital money, it's a revolution. From Bitcoin to Ethereum, these digital assets are changing how we think about and use money. But it's not all about buying low and selling high. There's a whole world of impact beyond the trading screens. First off, let's talk about financial inclusion. There are billions of people worldwide without access to traditional banking. Cryptocurrencies offer these individuals a way to join the global economy. With just a smartphone, anyone can start sending and receiving money. Imagine being able to support a family member halfway across the world without hefty transaction fees. That's powerful, right? Now, onto something a bit techy: smart contracts. These are self-executing contracts with the agreement terms directly written into code. They eliminate the need for middlemen, reducing costs, and increasing transparency. Think about buying a house or setting up insurance. Smart contracts can streamline these processes, making them faster and less prone to human error. But it's not all smooth sailing. Cryptocurrency has its challenges like volatility and regulatory hurdles. However, it's also inspiring new ways to think about asset ownership and privacy. With blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, users can have more control over their personal and financial data. And let's not forget about energy consumption, a hot topic when it comes to crypto. Innovations like more energy-efficient consensus mechanisms are being developed to address these concerns. It's a rapidly evolving field and staying informed is key. So whether you're a seasoned trader or just crypto curious, the impact of cryptocurrency is undeniable. It's reshaping industries, empowering people, and even challenging governments. The future? It's being written right now, in code. Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe you'll be part of the next big breakthrough in the world of